Hey, this is Rick with Social Good Software. In this short demo, I'm going to be walking you through the process of how to enable your integration. The process I'm going to walk you through works for any type of integration. So right now we're going to look at an active campaign one. However, if you're using MailChimp or Constant Contact, it's the exact same process as well. So we're going to go head over into Active Campaign here. And I'm inside the data bridge, widgets, and the specific widget we're looking at is the Active Campaign one. Then we're going to head over into settings here. And then you'll see here the update frequency is update once a day at 5 a.m. This 5 a.m. is in Eastern time. So that will go ahead and run at 5 a.m. on Eastern. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Enable Integration and click Save Settings. And this is going to go ahead and start processing this integration at 5 a.m. However, if you want to process it right away, you can by clicking the preview and then clicking on sync data. And this will go ahead and schedule a service and then pick that that request to process the data sync process. Now this can take a few hours, a few days, depending on how large your list is. And if it's the first time syncing it or the 10th time you're syncing it. So I'm gonna head over into settings. And you see here how we have it enabled already. We already saved it. And then we also scheduled it to run right away, which is running right now. Now you don't have to process it right away, but if you want, that is an option we provide for you. And then since I already enabled the integration, it's going to start getting picked up every day at 5 a.m. So you can see here, we went ahead and completed. So if you go to sync activity, you'll see right here that I went ahead and completed about a minute ago. So here it is. In this one, we didn't really have any operations to complete, so that's why I completed pretty fast. But if you do have operations, you'll be able to see all the operations that happen. So in this one, we created a contact, we updated the contact, we went ahead and updated the record, and then send emails to these address. And then if you hop over to the new one, we attached the note into all true, and this data, we backed up your file, and then we did a reverse backup table. So that is pretty much how the sync operations work. And you can review that here on the sync activity. And that's pretty much all there is to it on enabling the integration. If at any time you need to turn it off, you can just simply go here and click Save Settings, and that turns it off. If you want to turn it on, you can just go here and Save Settings, and that turns it on. So that's pretty much all there is to the enabling and disabling the integration, checking the activity logs, and just verifying that everything is set up correctly for the integration to run with your specific mail provider. And that's going to go ahead and do it here for me. Once again, this is Rick from Social Good Software. Hopefully you found this video helpful. We're always looking to improve and make things better. If something was not clearly explained in this video, or maybe you just are still a little bit confused and have some additional questions that we didn't talk about in the video, don't worry, we're here to help. Please go over to Social Good Software /feedback. You're able to provide us feedback on this training. You're able to provide us feedback on the software. We're always looking to improve. So if you have any suggestions, please reach out to us. Again, socialgoodsoftware.com /feedback. You'll be able to go ahead and share your thoughts with us, and we're always happy to help.